Okay, so now to begin with, today we are learning C++ induced practically. C++ induced practically, right? So, and after that, we will be creating a program that will find area of a triangle. We'll be creating a program that will find, okay, and also from there we have area of a triangle. Now we have step 1. This step 1, we will create a class name rectangle with 2 integer variable. The integer variable that we will create here practically will be a length and a breadth. A length and a breadth. Mathematically, you understand what is length. We know about triangle, we also know about area. So now then we move to a second option. We will create a function. After creating a class named rectangle, we will also create a function named calculate area. That will be our function name that will compute the area using the above formula, which is length and the breadth. Then we move again to our step 2. In our step 2, our area of a triangle continuum, area and triangle continuum. In our step 2, inside the main function, we are going to create an object of the rectangle and the class name rect. We will create an object of a rectangle. Okay, then we will also get two integers inputs for both length and breadth of a rectangle. Then from there we will call the function that we create today using the object. Now we are moving to the practical part. Thank you for focusing on the theory. I am your homework servant, Sheton Z. Arrow Dogbe Jr. Thank you. See you later. The C++ online compiler we already have. I think the other day I talked about the libraries. Our libraries include input output string is our library. Then after we create our library, we will be using a namespace. Okay, using namespace std. Using namespace std. Today we talk about creating a class. We talk about creating a class named rectangle. So we will create a class named rectangle. Okay, we have our class name. Our class name is rectangle. In the theory part, talk about a class name. Now then this rectangle, we will publish this, our class name. Okay, we will publish our class name. Now we have already created our class name, which is rectangle, and also we publish our class. The other day I talked about the 3 important ASIC specifier, which is public, private, and protected. So today here we are using public. So after creating the class, we are about to create a 2 important integer variable. Okay, 2 important integer variable. What will be the integer variable? Our integer variable 1 will be the length, Then the second one will be integer brief. After we create this, we have to create a function that will compete with the area of a triangle. So our function will be for calculate area. Okay. Now after this, we already create that. Now our integer area equal length time. Okay. Then our cout the area and after we created this and we talk about the main function. So we are going to create an object. Create an object named rectangle. Our object name will be rectangle obj. Before this, let's create cout. Let's create cout double enter the two number. Now we enter the two number. Cout tells you enter the two number for length and breadth because we are timing this. So we are asking to enter the two number for length and breadth. So after that, the cin will be object obj object dot length length down we have object breadth. After this, we have to close this with semicolon. Then we have to call the object. Call the object of obj dot the calculate area to reach to the point, make it very easy. Calculate area. Then after that, because this one we call the function already using the object. This is the function that we created today by using the object, right? So after this, we already have the closing here, which is return 0. So let's try to run this program to see whether we make an error or our program will run successfully. But if we make an error, we will still solve the problem to see. Let's run the program to see. Now we make an error. What is the error that we make? Here we forget about the semicolon. So we need to put the semicolon to rerun our program and see. Okay, our program run. Enter the number. First we enter 2. Then second number 3. Meaning the length, we have the length 2, then the breadth 3. Then enter 6. The area will be equal to what? 6. Okay. Then rerun and see. Enter 4280. So meaning our program runs successfully. So this is how